Pozole. Pork and hominy soup. A soup from Mexico. Serves 2. You will need 13 ingredients. Step 1. Place the pork cubes into a saucepan, cover with water, add salt, and bring to a boil, then lower heat and simmer slowly until barely tender, about 20 minutes. Let the pork cool off in the broth. Step 2. Reserving the broth. Soak the chiles ancho in the reserved warm broth for 20 minutes. Add garlic, dried oregano and puree in blender until smooth. Step 3. Heat oil in a soup pot over medium-high heat and add diced onion and cook stirring occasionally until lightly golden, about 10 minutes. Step 4. Add pureed chili mixture, hominy, additional stock and reserved pork. Bring to a boil, reduce to a simmer and cook slowly, uncovered until pork is fork tender, about another 30 minutes. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.